to Japan and welcome back to my channel. I have exciting news. I finally bought my rectangular shaped frying pan. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make tamagoyaki, specifically dashimaki tamagoyaki. So I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of dashi, then dissolve 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Next, I'm going to whisk 3 eggs, then to this, I'll add 1 teaspoonful of mirin and 1 teaspoonful of shoyu. Then, my prepared dashi mixture. Okay, so I was really excited getting this frying pan. I thought this was going to be super easy, but don't worry, the first layer doesn't really matter. Once you add in the second layer, it's going to be a little bit easier to fold. As you can see, I started out with my saibashi because I thought this was just going to be super easy. However, I decided to switch to my spatula because I couldn't handle. Oh my gosh. So I'm guessing because I was using this for the first time, I found it very difficult. However, I'm going to continue making tamagoyaki and hopefully I will enjoy using my rectangular shaped frying pan. I was not very confident in the beginning of this. However, I was so surprised by how good it came out. I mean, look at this. I also prepared this quick lunchbox and that's it. It looks so beautiful. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!